Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been doing a lot of things on Google search ads. I've been experimenting with Google search ads, running Google search ads for clients, and I discovered few ways to do some things in a seamless way that it will get you better results when running your Google search ad. That is why basically this video is all about how you can do keyword research for your Google search ad. So if you are running Google search ad, there are so many things you need to put into consideration. And I want you to follow me along in this video very, very well. So one of the things we'll be using to work in this video basically is these documents. I want to show you how I want to run Google search ad for this business. Neolife Provitality, Neolife products, Neolife Aloe Vera Plus, Neolife Garlic Allium, Neolife Carmac Plus. So, but I'm going to use this video to show you process in which I look for quality keywords and show you how I get the cost per click of those keywords and all those things. And with the help of this, I'm going to be combining these documents with this tool called Google Keyword Planner, basically. Called Google Keyword Planner, basically. So let's go back to this document. So when I go back to this document, first thing you need to understand when you want to run Google search ad is match types. So let's go on Google and search Google keyword match type. Just type keyword match types on Google. Just type match types. So can you see there are different types of match types. So let's go to the Google Support Center. Let's go there and let's read what it's all about. They said keyword match type. This is where I want us to go exactly. So you need to understand this very, very well when you want to run Google search ad for a client. It is very, very important so that you will not waste money. So the first thing you need to understand is that you need to understand the business and know how the budget of the business is. The budget of the business will help you determine the kind of match types you need to use for your Google search ad. So we have basically three match types. We have broad match, which is ad may show on search that relate to your keyword. Imagine you are trying to run ad for long aeration prices. So this kind of broad keyword, if you are using this broad keyword, broad match keyword is meant for advertisers with large budgets. Maybe you are trying to drive awareness, you are trying to put in more money into an ad campaign and the likes. You can use this keyword. You can use these match types. And the notation for imputing keywords, this is the way it is. You don't put these two things, these two quotes there, and you don't put it this way. So you need to really know this. So for me, as a small advertiser managing clients' budget, that it is more of performance marketing kind of thing, I'm not going to use this, but you need to know it. You need to know what broad match type is all about. If you use broad match type, anything that is related to your keywords will come up. So another one is phrase match. As may show on search that include the meaning of your keyword. This is quite cool. I use this to run ad a lot. It's quite okay compared to this. So as a small business owner, you can use phrase match to run your ad. So that is why you have lawn mowing service near me. hire company that mow lawn, landscaping service to cut grass. So once you want to use these keywords in this kind of match types with your keywords, you put this quotation, two quotation in your Google Ads when you are trying to run your Google Ads. And the last one is exact match. Ads may show on searches that are the same meaning as your keyword. So it is the same. Exact match means the same thing. And for you to use it, you have to put this open bracket and close bracket in your keyword. That's what you will just do. So can you see comprehensive matching, moderate matching, and tight matching? If you use exact match, you are not going to get a lot of impression. But the few impressions you will get are quality impressions and the exact people searching for that your keywords. So that's what this is all about. But for me, I basically use phrase match. I basically use phrase match to run match. So that's the first thing you need to know when you want to do keyword research for your Google search ad. So the next thing we need to do next is to go to this document. Let's go to this document and look for this brand level campaign that I'm talking about. It is basically, this is Neolife product. So the name of the product is Neolife. So the name of the brand level campaign will be Neolife. So let's go to, so maybe I want to create brand level, do keyword research for brand level campaign for Neolife company, or you want to do keyword research for your company or for a certain product that you want to sell. I believe there will be some products that will be similar. There will be some product that will be similar to your kind of products. There will be some products, there will be keywords, there will be a word. Maybe if you are into electrical installations and repair, definitely you will know that people will be searching for electrical installation near me. So you know that the first keyword that will come to your mind that's associated with your brand is electrical services or electrical installations near me. So you go to, for that, you go to your Google Ads account. You don't need to pay for this. Come to tools. All you need to do, come to tools and go to keyword planner. This is it, keyword planner. Go to discover new keywords. That's what you will do. I want to change this to the UK because my targeting will be in the UK basically. So let's do this. I've changed this to UK. So what's the name of the brand that I'm trying to advertise for? Is Neolife. So I want to search Neolife products because those are the keywords that is associated to the brand and the kind of things people will be searching for. Then once you type in this here, just click on get results. It will come up with, can you see we have it is showing me over 390 to 392 keywords ideas. That's what it is showing me. So what can I do? What can you do next? Can you see every monthly search, which is quite small? Every monthly search for this is quite small. So it's quite small. This one is 90. So what you need to do next is, can you see the top of page bid? This is top of page bid. People that want to be at the top of page for these keywords, what they do, they are paying within top of page bid, low range. They are paying 0.19 cents. So this will give you the idea of how you can bid. People that are paying very high to rank for these keywords, they are where? They are paying 0.79. So for you to sieve these keywords, because you can actually download this, you can actually download and export this as a Google Sheet. So that this keyword, this sheet that you are going to extract, is not going to come with a lot of keywords that you don't fancy, that you don't want to use in your ads, because you really need to look for quality keywords. So what you need to do is to come to refine keywords and come to brands and remove any keyword that you feel is not relevant. So you will see a lot of them that are not relevant. So what you do is you can see blender bottle, all natural, Bytone. You don't need this. Bytone is a product, but you don't need it. New Life Shop, you can leave this. GNLD is the former name for New Life. So you can come to this place again, come to nutrients, look at vitamins. You don't need all this. I believe you don't need it. So what you need to do is just untick this from the beginning. So all these keywords will not be added to your product, your research. So you don't need all this also. They are products, but this is a brand level keyword. So if you are to be ranking for this specific keyword one by one, then I can tell you can use them. So you just untick them. And condition, you don't need all this for now. Come here, then. So you just need to, once you come to this way, just need to remove irrelevant keywords from your keywords. So you can do it by, if I click on organs now, if you are doing it for your own keyword, you see different things. So if you look at, like now, we've come to the drop down called organ. So what you need to do with this is to look at, do you want skin in your keywords? If you don't want it, do you want eyes? For me, I don't want this. Do I want all these others? So most of all these things will come with irrelevant keywords. So I want to really sieve them and get quality keywords. So what I need to do next is to just, if you look at everything in your drop down, you see they are not relevant, just click on this. So you get rid of them. The essence of doing this is because when you export your keywords, you don't want to see irrelevant keywords, a lot of irrelevant keywords. So when you look at the drop down called others, you don't need problem, you don't need others. So you click on this. So with this, we are ready to export our keyword and see the relevant keyword this has given us. So what I need to do, I also want to show you how you can have an idea, of how you will bid or how much it will cost you to rank for those particular keywords. Maybe you are selling a product, you are doing keyword research for your product that you want to market, and you've been able to go through all these things that I've showed you. All these things they will be different to your own business. I know you agree with me with that. They will be different to your own business. So once you come to brand, click on this drop down, look at them. If you have the ones that are relevant to your business and you want it included, just untick the individual ones. But if all of them are not relevant, just click on untick this, just like the way I did for nutrient. Just untick this. So you won't have a lot of irrelevant keywords. So what I want to show you next is how you can forecast your keywords, how you can forecast your ad, how you can know the cost per click for those keywords you want to use in your ad, in your Google search ad, how you can know your cost per conversion, how you can know, okay, with certain budgets that you want to use to run this ad, how many conversion are you going to get? And if for instance, if I'm spending $10 per day, how many conversion am I going to get? So just come to your keywords here. Click on it and click on change this to phrase match, because we are using phrase match, and I recommended that you should add this to, you should be using phrase match. For me, phrase match has worked for me. I've texted exact match. Exact match kind of match type is really, really good, but you won't get a lot of impression. And the more impression you get, the more the more opportunity you are exposed to drive conversion. So that is why phrase match is a little bit, is really, really okay, because it will open your impression up. At the same time, it will boost your chances of getting more conversion. So basically, that's what it is all about. So you change this, come to this broad match type, change this to phrase match, and click on add to. So click on add keyword to create plan. So just click on it, it will add it. So you can also do this. You can also do this for this. You can do this for this. Look at all these keywords. They are relevant. So look at them. So let's say we've added like 6. So let's add them. We've added like 6 keywords. We can still export this keyword. So what you need to do from here, just navigate to forecast. So once you go to forecast, let's change this to, you leave this as maximize conversion because it is conversion that you want. So can you see that with this thing that I showed you here, these are the things I showed you here, isn't it? It will even give you location that you will be driving results. So I want to change this to UK. I want to change this to the UK because our search was in the UK. I want to change this to the UK. So this is telling me I will have, if I spend average of $30 per day, your plan can get all conversion for $23 with a $30 average daily budget. So that will give you an idea of, so I've changed this to England, Scotland. So if you feel we are going to get 16 clicks, so we are going to get a total of 360 impressions, which is quite small for me. And the reason why this is like this, is because we are only using 6 keywords. We are only using 6 keywords. If you are using more than 6 keywords, I believe that you get more impression. But this is an idea of what, if you are using another product, this is an idea of how this will work. Basically, this is an idea of how this will work. It will give you your cost per click, give you your impression, give you your clicks, give you your average CPA, and all those things for the keywords you have added to your plan. If we change this to, if we change all this to broad match, I believe our impression will increase. But it is not advisable to run ad with broad match, because you'll be spending a lot of money and you'll be burning a lot of money. So that's just what it is. So let's change it to broad match. So with broad match, can you see that our impression has increased? So that's how it is. If you are doing this for another product, I believe you are going to get, it will give you your total numbers of impression, it's total number of conversion that you are going to get with all those keywords. So as I'm seeing now that, because I want to use phrase match to run my ad, no matter how small the impression can be, I'm still going to use phrase match to run my ad, no matter how small. So let me change it there. So all this is just telling you is that you need to add more keywords to to your plan. So the more keywords you add, the more options you get. So this is a good forecast. You should try it with your keywords, try it with other keywords that you have. It will give you your total impression, give you the total conversion. So you'll be able to tell clients that we are planning a Google search ad campaign for you. We are ranking for these selected keywords. We want to run ads for these selected keywords. You'll be able to tell them this total numbers of impressions you can get, this total number of clicks you can get with your daily budget. So let's say we want to spend $100. Let's increase this to $100. So it's telling me let's increase this to $100. I don't know, it's not allowing me to. There is no, I think $10 is quite small. So let's put it as, so let's put it at $30. So you can increase your budget. Once you increase your budget, you have more options. So, like I said, the reason why we are having small impression here, it depends on the search volumes of your keywords. So this shows that the search volumes of my keywords are quite small. They are quite small. So all I need to do right now is to add more keywords to this, because I'm only trying to run ads and map out a plan or carry out keyword research for just 6 keywords. So what I need to do next is to go to keywords ideas. Once you go to keywords ideas, because I don't mind this impression. The total impression that you get is quite important though, but you also need to look at the relevance of those keywords. So let me move this to, let's say, 100, and let's say I do this. I'm trying to look for, what's this? So these keywords they are all quite small. So you add, in this case, all you need to do is to just add more keywords. If your keywords are having small search volumes, all you need to do is to just add more keywords. Add more relevant keywords to your forecast. Then you will be able to get good amount of data and have good idea of your keywords. So what I need to do next is to export this. I'm going to export this as a CSV file and open it. Once I open it, you'll see that the keywords I'm able to export are relevant keywords. There are no keywords that are not relevant, although their search volume are quite small, which is nobody's fault. It is the way people are searching for things for this product online. It is the way people are searching for this product online. So if you have a small search volume, it's not your fault for those keywords. You just need to look for keywords with reasonable amount of search volumes. Once they have reasonable amount of search volumes and their relevance to the product you are promoting. So this kind of keyword now is relevant to me. I'm going to copy it and add it to my document. They are relevant to me. Although the search term is quite small, but I'm still going to use them in my ad. I'm still going to use them because this is a brand level campaign. If I move to product specific keywords now, you see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to add them to my list because these are relevant keywords. So in your own case, you might have keywords with over 1,000 monthly search. That is for your business, which is quite nice. But just make sure that follow the step that I've showed you in this video to look for relevant keywords, how you can sieve out irrelevant keywords from your keywords idea, how you can map out forecasts to know the total numbers of conversion you get per keywords you want to rank for, and all those things. That's how you need to work around all those things. I believe you've been able to gain value in this my video. I'm not going to continue to waste your time adding each and individual keywords into my list or my business database as I've showed you earlier, because it's going to make this video longer. Just follow the process I've showed you in this video. Once you follow the process I've showed you in this video, apply it to your business. When you want to run Google search ad, I want to bet it with you, you are going to see relevant keywords. And based on my experience, based on how I've been able to experiment with different clients, phrase match keywords and exact match keywords has worked for me. So I use phrase match keywords and I use exact match keywords. But exact match keywords comes with a lot of small search volumes. The search volume are quite small and tight, but it will be relevant keywords. So that's why I use phrase match keyword, because it's a bit moderate. So I'm going to see you in the next video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. Thanks a lot.